Hi everybody, this is Sharing with Sheila and Rhonda, and I'm Sheila Tillich.
And I'm Rhonda Schaefer. And tonight we're going to talk about a quote from Rumi. It's called, "It's your road and yours alone. Others may walk with you, but only you can, but no one can walk it for you."
Exactly. It's your road. Less traveled and more traveled, as they say.
That's right.
Yeah.
And, if you find value in this video at the end, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, walking your road alone, and it's your road alone. A lot of us, we start on this road thinking that we're going to go one way when we start early in life. Mm-hmm. And things happen, and we start to go down a different road. So that happens a lot for us.
It sure does.
It sure does,
Every single decision we make determines which path we're going to go down. Seems like it.
Yeah, and it's okay to change your path too.
Yes.
I know for me, where I thought I was going to be 35, 40 years ago isn't where I'm at right now. It's been many twists and turns in the winding road, as they say. But it's exactly where I needed to do and go. And exactly who I am today is because I've gone down the winding road that it has allowed me to stand on my magnificence today.
And I would say it's been quite an adventure.
Oh, yeah. Very much so. Very much so.
It's quite an adventure. I think that's what I'll say on my deathbed. What an adventure.
Well, we've been down the same venture together. We've been in recovery together for many years. We've learned a lot of things about ourselves, a lot of things that didn't work, and made a lot of mistakes, and we made a lot of advantages moving forward.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
wonderful.
Yeah, a lot of good lessons, good, positive, painful lessons.
Yeah, lessons of life that made us who we are today. So,
that's right.
So when I say about the winding road and the twist, it's like what you thought was going to happen didn't happen, but things better happened because of them and the challenges and the obstacles.
Oh, yes. Like the Colorado River.
Yeah, twist and turn, that's for sure.
You go around one curve, look back, and it's like, where did the river go? All I see are rocks.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, so they're blessings in disguises, those rocks.
Every single one of them.
That's
absolutely.
Right. Absolutely. Yeah. Good.
And some of us discover what we're to learn sooner and some later. It's different for everybody.
Absolutely.
But we always want to try to see what we can learn out of situations to make the next time would work out better or have a better solution.
Yeah. Well, that's the hindsight too. 2020. What we learned that didn't work before, and then remembering that and wishing that we would have learned that a long time ago. That's 2020, hindsight 2022.
That's why they call it 2020.
That's right. I have to look behind it.
But you don't want to look back there too much. It's kind of like a rear view mirror. It's a rear view mirror for a reason. You want to look forward to see where you're going.
Absolutely. But it's okay to look behind and then see how far you've come.
Right. But as Sheila tells me many times, don't dwell there, Rhonda. Don't dwell there.
Just keep moving on.
Yeah.
One step forward, 2 steps back, and sometimes 2 steps forward and 1 step back.
Oh, it's crazy.
The key is that we're still moving. Just like in a car. I always remember somebody told me a long time ago, you're not really lost in a car. You just keep going.
That's right.
Where you're going to end up, that's another story, but you just keep going. And that's the purpose in our lives too, is that when we go down one road and it's not working, well, maybe we ought to go down a different road. And maybe that might be the exact route that you're supposed to go.
And that reminds me, you can start your day over at any point in time during that same day. You can just say, I'm stopping right here and starting over.
Or you can stop and ask for directions.
Yes, that's helpful.
Call a friend and say, hey, can I have your help? Am I on the right road?
You mean we women don't ask for directions?
Oh, yes, we do. We can. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So I've had a lot of help along the way. I've had a lot of people that I've called and they've helped me.
Me too.
On the rough road, that winding road, the rough road, and then also in the right road. And they say, just keep going because you're in the right direction. So I said, okay, I'll just keep going. And I did. And that's how I am today.
Forward motion. That's what you want.
That's right.
No matter what you're doing, as long as you're moving forward, you have a pretty bright future ahead for you.
Absolutely.
That's what I think. Yeah.
Well, I hope you liked our conversation today. We love doing these videos together. You know, if you'd like to comment, or share, that would be awesome. If there's anything you want us to talk about, please let us know.
Yeah, we'd love to. We need ideas here.
We can come up with them pretty good. But it still would be nice if you want to, share a little bit. And
yeah, we want to know what they want to hear about.
Oh, I know. Well, that's true. That's what I've said.
Yes.
Tell us, comment.
Tell us
what you think.
Tell us.
Okay.
Yeah. And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.